Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a little component that's super handy for anyone building small audio projects. The SD8002D audio power amplifier IC. Specifically, we've got a pack of 10 of these tiny chips here. This is a mono amplifier, meaning it handles a single audio channel, and it's rated for up to 3 watts of output power. That might not sound like a lot, but for driving a small speaker in a portable device, a simple audio alert system, or even a compact desktop speaker, 3 watts is often more than enough to get a decent volume. One of the really useful features of the SD8002D is its shutdown mode. This is a dedicated pin on the chip that, when pulled low, puts the amplifier into a very low power state. This is fantastic for battery-powered applications where you only need audio intermittently. You can easily control it with a microcontroller, saving precious battery life when the audio isn't needed. Now, looking at the chip itself, you'll notice it's a surface mount component. This is important for hobbyists and makers to be aware of. It's not a through-hole chip that you just poke into a breadboard or perf board. You'll need to be comfortable with surface mount soldering, or you'll want to use a small breakout board design for this package type to make it easier to work with on a breadboard. The fact that these come in a pack of 10 is a big plus. If you're prototyping, experimenting, or building multiple identical projects, having a supply of these chips readily available is very convenient and usually more cost-effective than buying them individually. The manufacturer is listed as Cyru Ltd, and the brand is SWQHJR, but for most builders, the key identifier is the SD8002D part number and its capabilities. It's a popular choice for its simplicity and performance in its class. It operates on a single supply voltage, typically in the 2V to 5.5V range, which makes it compatible with common battery voltages and 3.3V or 5V logic systems. The chip includes built-in thermal shutdown protection, which is a good safety feature to prevent damage if it gets too hot, although with proper heat sinking, which might be needed at the full 3W output, depending on the load and ambient temperature. This shouldn't be a frequent issue. The audio quality is generally clean for its intended applications. Don't expect audiophile performance, but for driving a small speaker in a project, it's perfectly adequate. The simplicity of the required external components is also a benefit. You typically only need a few capacitors and resistors to get it up and running. So, if you're working on a project that needs a compact, low-power, mono audio amplifier with a handy shutdown feature, the SD8002D is definitely a chip worth considering, especially when you can get them in a cost-effective pack like this.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.